This cracked chicken has everything that is good and addicting in it. Baked with ranch cream cheese and topped with crispy bacon and melted cheese, this dish becomes irresistible for anyone needing a hearty dinner for busy days. Hello and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we'll be cooking cracked chicken. And if you're like me, you must also think that there's truly nothing better than ranch chicken topped with crispy bacon. And that's why we'll be making this dish every day from now on. But before we begin, please make sure to leave a like and also subscribe and tap the notification bell. And now, let's get cooking. Let's start by first cooking the bacon. For this, add into a skillet over medium-low heat 8 slices of bacon and cook until crispy. Be sure to not overlap the bacon and cook in batches if necessary. Then let the bacon drain and cool on a paper towel lined plate, and do not forget to reserve the bacon grease in the skillet. Now while the bacon cools, let's prepare the chicken. Let's first measure and prepare all the ingredients and preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Then grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan and set aside. Now place the chicken breast on a cutting board and cover with plastic wrap. Pound the chicken to an even ½ inch thickness and season it with salt and pepper. Let's now heat the skillet over medium heat, and if there is less than 2 tablespoons of bacon fat, add 1 tablespoon of avocado or olive oil. Once the oil is heated, sear the chicken on both sides until golden brown, which takes about 2 minutes per side. Once it's done cooking, transfer the seared chicken to the prepared baking dish. In a bowl, let's prepare the ranch seasoning. For this, combine dry buttermilk, dried parsley, garlic powder, onion powder, dried chives, dried dill, kosher salt, and black pepper. All of the measurements will be written on the screen. Also, because it's quite useful, you can make extra dry ranch seasoning to have on hand for future recipes. Combine these ingredients together and then add into a separate bowl with 12 ounces of full-fat cream cheese. Then stir until well combined. Let's now evenly spread the cream cheese mixture over the chicken, and once they're covered, chop the cooled bacon into small pieces and distribute half over the cream cheese mixture. Then add 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese over the chicken and bake at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Once it finishes baking, remove the chicken from the oven and top with the remaining bacon pieces and finely chopped green onion. This versatile recipe can be served alongside a salad, pasta, and even roasted vegetables. We hope you enjoy it. If you enjoyed this recipe, please make sure to check the description box below where you can view all the written steps, check notes, and even click on our website link at cozymeal.com/recipes where you can read and view more delicious meals for your weeknight dinners. Also, please make sure to leave a like on this video and share this recipe with all your friends and all your family. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in our next video recipe.